This is Portia. Portia is a little feistier, a little more active than Cinna. This is Cinna. They are 20 days old today. Doing very well. Mom and Dad taking very good care of them. I've been getting them out for a couple of days now and holding them. Alex, this one's very calm, very nice. Looks like it's going to have some yellow feathers and a little bit of green in the tail. There. Okay, and this one.
I think that one's going to be green.
Looks like it might be green or blue. It's got some different colors. I think it's ready to go back to its mom and daddy now. So maybe we'll put them back. Okay.
Bye bye.